I intentionally deleted photos, videos, WhatsApp chats, documents and other files from my Android phone just to see if stellar data recovery for Android could actually recover them. After testing it across 4 real-world recovery scenarios, here's everything I found. Before I walk you through the results, here's a quick overview of what stellar data recovery for Android offers. The software is designed to recover deleted or lost data from Android smartphones and tablets. During my testing, I found it supports a wide range of data types including photos, videos, audio files, messages, contacts, call history, documents, and WhatsApp data. It also includes dedicated recovery modes for WhatsApp Business and Google Drive backups, making it a versatile solution for different types of Android data loss. One thing I noticed right away was how clean and organized the interface is. Instead of placing every feature on a single screen, Stellar separates each recovery mode into a dedicated module, making it easy to choose exactly what you want to recover without navigating through complicated menus. Getting started was straightforward. I downloaded and installed Stellar Data Recovery for Android on my Windows computer. I launched the software and connected my Android phone using a USB cable. Before starting the recovery process, I activated the software using my activation key to unlock all recovery features. If you're trying the software for the first time, the trial version can let you scan your device, preview recoverable data, and recover up to 10 photos or videos of up to 10 MB each at no cost. Since USB debugging wasn't enabled on my test device, the software displayed clear on-screen instruction that guided me through the setup. Within a few moments, my phone was successfully detected. With everything ready, I started with the most common data loss scenario, recovering deleted data directly from an Android phone. After selecting the Recover Data from Android option and connecting my device, Stellar quickly detected the phone and displayed all the supported data categories including photos, videos, contacts, messages, call history, audio files and documents. For this test, I used my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and intentionally deleted several photos and videos before scanning the device. The scan itself took approximately 15 minutes, and throughout the process, I could monitor the progress in real time without experiencing any lag or interruptions. Once the scan was complete, all the recoverable files were neatly organized into their respective categories, making them easy to browse. What impressed me most was the preview feature, which made it much easier to identify the data I actually wanted. Another feature I found useful was selective recovery. Instead of restoring everything, I simply selected the files I needed. Recovering the selected data took approximately 10 minutes and all the recovery files were successfully saved to my computer. Overall, the recovery process was smooth and beginner-friendly, the interface remained responsive throughout the test, navigation was straightforward, and locating specific files was quick thanks to the well-organized scan results. Next, I tested the Recover from WhatsApp feature. After selecting the Recover Data from WhatsApp option, Stellar guided me through the setup process before scanning my device for deleted WhatsApp chats and media. The entire scan took about 4 minutes. When the scan finished, the recovered data was neatly organized into categories including chats, photos, videos, audio, documents, and other WhatsApp attachments. This made it easy to browse different types of content without manually searching through hundreds of files. One feature I particularly liked was the ability to preview WhatsApp conversations and media before recovery. I could review individual chats, check photos and videos, and recover only the conversations that were important to me. The recovery process was super fast and it only took around 2 minutes, and the recovered data was successfully saved to my computer. Based on my testing, the WhatsApp recovery workflow felt just as polished as the Android recovery mode. The combination of categorized results, preview supports, and selective recovery made finding and restoring specific chats and media both quick and convenient. Also, recover data from WhatsApp Business is very similar to recover data from WhatsApp. The scanning and recovery time depends on the size of WhatsApp Business data. Simply select the Recover Data from WhatsApp Business option, connect your Android device, scan for recoverable data, preview the available chats and media, and recover only the conversations or files you need. If you rely on WhatsApp Business for customer communication, this dedicated recovery mode is a valuable addition. For my final test, I wanted to see how well Stellar handled Google Drive backup recovery. It also asked me to enable USB debugging, following by signing in with my Gmail account. After signing in with my Google account, the software automatically detected the available backups and analyzed the contents. The backup analysis of 1.5 GB of data took about 2 minutes, after which all recoverable data was neatly organized into different categories for easy browsing. Just like the previous recovery modes, I was able to preview the available files before recovery, making it easy to locate the data I needed without restoring the entire backup. After selecting the required files, The recovery process took approximately 3 minutes and everything was successfully saved to my computer. What stood out during this test was the ability to recover individual files directly from a Google Drive backup. With all 4 recovery scenarios completed, I had a clear understanding of how stellar data recovery for Android performs in real-world situations. I found the overall experience to be smooth and beginner-friendly. The interface is clean, the recovery workflow is easy to follow, and features like file preview and selective recovery make it simple to restore only the files you need. Like any other data recovery software, the recovery success depends on factors such as how long ago the data was deleted and whether it has been overwritten. For the best chance of recovering lost data, it's always a good idea to stop using the device as soon as you notice something has been deleted. Overall, stellar data recovery for Android offers a clean interface, multiple recovery modes, and useful features like preview and selective recovery, making it easy to recover data from Android devices, WhatsApp Business, and Google Drive backups. On the downside, some recovery features may vary depending on your Android device or permissions. And while the trial version lets you scan, preview, or recover up to 10 photos or videos, recovering large amounts of data requires activating the full version. After spending time testing stellar data recovery for Android, I came away with a positive impression. The software delivers a straightforward recovery experience, performs well across different recovery scenarios, and keeps the entire process simple, even for first-time users. If you have accidentally deleted important photos, videos, documents, WhatsApp chats, or other data from your Android device, stellar data recovery for Android is definitely worth considering. That concludes my hands-on review of stellar data recovery for Android. I hope this video gives you a clear idea of what the software can do and whether it's the right choice for your recovery needs. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more software reviews and data recovery guides. And let me know your questions or experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.